From the steam engine to the assembly line, each industrial revolution has completely reshaped our world. Now, we're standing on the brink of another monumental shift, a transformation so profound it's redefining the very essence of how we create. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the dawn of next-generation manufacturing. Forget what you know about traditional factories. We're entering an era where intelligence is embedded into every gear, every process, and every product. Step inside the factory of the future. It's a symphony of precision and speed. Here, automated production lines don't just repeat tasks. They adapt and learn. Robotic arms, guided by intricate sensors, move with a grace and accuracy that surpasses human capability, handling everything from heavy lifting to microscopic assembly. But this isn't about replacing people, it's about elevating them. Humans are the conductors of this orchestra, working alongside advanced robotics in a seamless partnership. They are the strategists, the problem solvers, the creative minds overseeing a new kind of workforce. We're seeing AI-powered quality control systems that can spot imperfections invisible to the human eye, ensuring every single product that leaves the line is flawless. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, powering a new standard of excellence and efficiency. So, what's the magic behind this revolution? It's built on a foundation of groundbreaking core concepts. At the heart of it all is the Internet of Things, IoT. Billions of tiny, intelligent sensors are embedded throughout the factory floor, on machinery, and even within the products themselves. They are the nervous system of the operation, constantly collecting vast amounts of data, temperature, pressure, vibration, performance metrics, you name it. This data is the lifeblood of the smart factory. But what do we do with all this information? That's where digital twins come in. Imagine creating a perfect virtual replica of your entire factory inside a computer. This isn't just a 3D model. It's a living, breathing simulation that mirrors its physical counterpart in real time. With a digital twin, you can run experiments, test new processes, and predict failures without ever disrupting the actual production line. It's like having a crystal ball that allows you to optimize for the future. And let's not forget the power of 3D printing or additive manufacturing. We're moving beyond simple prototypes. Today, advanced 3D printers can create complex, lightweight, and incredibly strong parts from a range of materials, including metal and advanced composites. This technology is unlocking designs that were once impossible to manufacture, enabling on-demand production and completely revolutionizing supply chains. The benefits of this industrial evolution are immense and far-reaching. First, there's the incredible leap in efficiency. By optimizing every aspect of production, from resource allocation to energy consumption, smart factories can produce more with less, drastically reducing waste and operational costs. This brings us to sustainability. Next-gen manufacturing is inherently greener. Precise processes mean less material waste, and optimized energy grids mean a smaller carbon footprint. We're building a more sustainable industrial model for a healthier planet. But perhaps the most exciting benefit is the rise of mass customization. The rigid, one-size-fits-all approach of old assembly lines is fading. Smart factories are agile and flexible, able to switch from one product configuration to another with minimal downtime. This means you can get products tailored specifically to your needs, whether it's a car with unique features, sneakers designed for your exact gait, or medical implants perfectly matched to your anatomy. The era of the consumer as a co-creator is here. Looking ahead, the future of manufacturing is not a story of machines replacing humans, but of a powerful new synergy. It's about human-machine collaboration, where our creativity, critical thinking, and strategic oversight are amplified by the precision, speed, and data processing power of AI and robotics. We are empowering our workforce with new tools and skills, creating new roles, and unlocking a level of innovation we've only just begun to imagine. This isn't the end of human industry. It's the beginning of its most intelligent and exciting chapter yet. Thanks so much for watching. If you're as excited about the future of technology as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on our next exploration. See you in the next video.